Rain battered the attic window as Marcus sat hunched over the old typewriter he'd found buried in a thrift store bin. Its keys felt cold, sticky, as if they resented being disturbed. He needed inspiration for his next horror story, and the machine's presence seemed to hum with possibility. As he typed, the click-clack rhythm grew hypnotic. Words flowed, vivid and violent, painting a murder scene in unsettling detail. Each line appeared unbidden, as if guided by unseen hands. Marcus paused, hands trembling. The typewriter continued, keys hammering by themselves, spelling out his name. He scrambled to stop it, but the carriage locked, trapping his fingers. Blood dripped onto the parchment as keys punched deeper, carving letters into his skin. He screamed, but the attic devoured the sound. The story's final sentence appeared. "He dies tonight." The typewriter released him. Marcus staggered back, wrists bleeding. The page floated to the ground, his blood staining the words. He tried to destroy the paper, but the letters burned into his vision, repeating the sentence until his heart stilled. Upstairs, the typewriter waited, hungry for its next author.